नमो नमः।
अयम निज परोवेति गणना लघुचेतसाम उदार चरितानां तु वसुधैव कुटुंबकम।
Hello everyone, my name is Acharya Balkrishna Dave. Our topic for today is under Ved and is sacrificial lore. If we need to compile our ancient culture in one word, then that would be Yajna. It is made from Yajdhatu of Sanskrit language. The meaning of the same is donation and prayers. In Indian culture, Yajna is described in detail in a very comprehensive way. Yajna doesn't only mean giving ahuti in Agni or Agnihotri. The ultimate charitable work is also Yajna. Yajna is not only done for oneself but for well-being of the entire world. Yajna is done from Hindu scripture times. They have described it in detail. Without Yajna, we can never use Hindu scriptures, and without Hindu scriptures, Yajna work will also be incomplete. We can understand it in this way, that when we put red chili powder in fire, red chili powder will show its true effect and it will trouble our body. Similarly, when we put some remedial objects or some medical herbs in fire, then whatever that herbs has as health boosters, it comes in contact with fire and it shows that effect on the health of the person as well, and that person's health improves soon. And that's why it is very beneficial for a person's health. In Ved, Puran, Upanishad, they have given us explanation of Yajna, but Lord Krishna too have explained importance of the same in Bhagavad Gita. In Ved there is science, Yajna has science, and today's topic of discussion is understanding Yajna science. In Yajurved's first chapter, third mantra says,
वशोः पवित्रमसि शतधारं भशोः पवित्रमसि सहस्रधारं देवस्त्वा सविता पुनातु वशोः पवित्रेण शतधारेण शुक्वा कामदिक्षः.
In this mantra it says that this topic's preaching can be understood by Vedic mantras and Vedic form and its Vedic science. Today, we will discuss about this also. Like with the sunlight, water from the ocean is converted into water vapors and forms clouds. And in the form of rains, the same water we get it back on the earth and health boosters are created. Few places where there is a desert area, rainfall is very less there or doesn't rain at all. The importance of water is best understood at those places. When to turn sea water into fresh water is to remove the dissolved salt in sea water. This process is very costly, that all countries are not able to use that Yajna water in use. When we do Yajna, at that time the medical herbs and pure ghee used creates the aroma and health boosters that with the help of the sunlight is mixed in the atmosphere of the earth. It controls smells and the carbon dioxide. With that, the atmosphere of the earth is purified. Also the rains after that creates a lot of health boosters which are very useful for humankind. And that's why Yajna is so important in our lives. In Hindu culture, above all, venerable Vedic and Brahmin scriptures, Yajna importance is described in detail through our Ved mantras as we get to know. For example, in Rigved's first mantra itself it says,
अग्निमीडे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजं ओतारं रत्नधातमम्.
When there was a belief that God has no form, the first god that we considered was fire. With the fire as medium, we were able to impress God and get different powers. And same with herbs, we can get health boosters which are very good for our immune system. So the way in Ved and in Puran, Ved and In our Purans, in Ved, it is described in detail about science and Yagya science. In Yajurved's 3rd chapter, first mantra we see,
ते समिधाग्निन्दुवस्यत घृतेर्पोधयतातिथिम् आश्मिन् हव्याजुहोतन.
in every mantra, fire is given the most importance, shows how great fire is. And in that, when we use medical herbs, it creates health boosters and improves our immune system and save us from all the bacteria. From these mantras, if we understand the actual meaning and prayers, and in the end understand the meaning of this mantra, if we start doing yagna, then we are not only doing good for ourselves, but for the entire world. The meaning of all these mantras is that God is giving human order to do yagna, as it is a biggest good and pure cause. By doing it, humans will experience abundance in life. With lots of efforts, specific yagna is also done. You must have seen in Purans, in our Veds, in our holy books, many priests have done this kind of yagna. Even Lord Ram had also done Ashwamedh yagna. The meaning, the reason for those yagna was for well-being of the kingdom. And the kingdom should be healthy, should live long, and all the wishes of kingdom should come true. With this intention, such yagnas were done. After Mahabharata, Lord Krishna also made Pandavas do yagna, and through that everyone lived peacefully. So yagna is a complete science. Yagna is totally connected to science, which gives us lots of positive and strong energy. And when we put some inauspicious or negative kind of things into the fire, it impacts in the same way. So if we will put medical herbs into the fire, why won't it show its good effects on body? So with this we come to a conclusion that performing yagna is not only religious culture or Hindu culture, but it is a healthy deed for the entire world. And we all should go ahead in life with the help of yagna and should keep doing yagna. Thank you.